Do you know what is this? Let's take a look. I know what is this. This is a pouch of colorful puzzles.
Yeah!
Let's see what we have inside the pouch.
Wow!
What a beautiful color combination. Let's see, we have some fruit puzzles, we have some number puzzles, and we also have alphabet puzzles too. Let's count how many puzzles we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 different puzzles. Do you know how many colors of these puzzles? Let's see these puzzles one by one. This is a cherry. What is the color of cherry? Correct. This cherry is red. What is the next puzzle? This is alphabet F. What is the color of alphabet F? This alphabet's color is blue. Next, we have orange fruit puzzle. What is the color of this puzzle? This fruit puzzle's color is orange. Let's look for another puzzle. This is number 7 puzzle. What is this puzzle's color? This puzzle is green. Next puzzle we have a number 6 puzzle. This puzzle is green. Next puzzle is a pineapple fruit. What is the color of this puzzle? This puzzle is yellow. Next puzzle is an apple. What is the color of this puzzle? This puzzle is red. For the next puzzle, we have a watermelon puzzle. What is this puzzle's color? Correct. This puzzle is red. The next puzzle is lemon fruit puzzle. What is the color of this puzzle? Yes, this puzzle is yellow. Next puzzle is alphabet V. What is the color of alphabet V? Correct, it's blue. For the next puzzle, we have alphabet N. What is the color of alphabet N? Yes, this puzzle is blue.
Yeah!
Let's do something else. Let's count how many puzzles per color we have here. There are 4 different colors. This is a group of red puzzles. This is a group of yellow puzzle. This is a group of green puzzle. And lastly, this is a group of blue puzzles. Let's count again together. How many red puzzles are here? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 red puzzles. Which one of these is number 4? Correct. How many blue puzzles are here? Let's count these blue puzzles. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 blue puzzles. Which one of these is number 3? Correct. Let's move on to the next group. How many green puzzles are here? 1, 2. Which one of these is number 2? Correct. We have 2 green puzzles. This is the last group of puzzles. How many yellow puzzles are here? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 yellow puzzles. Which one of these is number 3? Correct. We have finished all the puzzle groups. Whenever we have finished playing, never forget to always clear up your toys. Thank you so much for watching.